How to share Expedia itinerary with friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to share your Expedia itinerary with friends. So if you're having trouble sharing your itinerary, don't worry, this video will guide you through an easy process. So first of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Expedia application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you launch the application, you're in the home page. Go to the trip section to see your upcoming trips. Click on the trip section in the bottom of the screen, and if you already have a trip planned, click on it and select the option that says Invite to your trip to share your itinerary with your friends. And if you just created your itinerary, you can also start planning it from there. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can share your Expedia itinerary with your friends. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.